Yes, good day. I'm back again for another tutorial. This is HBT tutorial for your basic setup, installation configuration for some open source application. Okay guys, so for today's video, I'm gonna show you on how to do a transfer to closer in group. So uh, the transfer we will do is how to transfer the call to the closer in group. So first, we need to double check our configurations. Mostly, we have closer campaign created. Okay, I just set to inbound man for now. And we have closer inbound also. So when we get a call from openers or the on the front end agent, so once they need to close or transfer for the confirmation or their their bookings or something else, so they will do transfer to the closers. It means closers who the one or the agent who will do the closing the sales for that leads. Okay, so first we need to log in to our agent screen. So from here we need to have two agents. So okay, so we will use uh the regular site. Okay. Okay. So this one should be the regular agent. Okay. This is our regular agent. Okay. And the other one should be the closer agents. Okay. So will be our closer agent. So you will see the closer campaign. Okay, so if you check your real time, this is our real time. Okay, so all both are post. So if the closer agent in on ready, so you will see it should be closer. So it means they cannot able to receive any or the campaign it will not dial predictively or auto dial outbound. Okay, so now and this is our main agent. So this one, once you have leads, it automatically dials and get the call. So for now, we will do the test. We will use our click to call system. Okay. Okay, we are connected. So as you can see, I already received the inbound. So we can park the customer. Okay, and then we can transfer to, you can choose agent direct if you want. Okay. Okay. So now we can do click the closer and click the consultative or okay. So first, so you click this one, closer, and then if you do only blind transfer, so you can click the local closer. So it means it will transfer to local inbound automatically. Okay. Okay. So as you can see, I already received the closer transfer. This one issue means um blind transfer. Okay. Get hung up this one first. Okay. And then go back here. So my call is hung up. Let me try to call again. So I have one incoming call already. If I go to, and then another way to transfer. Let me mark transfer conference, and then closer, and then this one. This transfer could be transfer to it means predictive, or you will need to speak the agent first. So click the consultative and then dial with customer. Okay. As you can see, uh we have call here. Okay. Okay. If I ready, okay. So the transfer is came. So but I'm still in call. So you are now talking to agent. Hey, hey closer, I will transfer the call, and then you can grab here. Hello. And then hey customer, the payment team is on the other line. I'm gonna transfer you. Okay, so now the opener, they can leave the freeway call. Okay. Then you can click successful transfer. So I am now with the client. Okay. Okay. And then sum up. Okay. So hope you are enjoying our work calls. So as you can see, we do a successful transfer. We do the inbound closer inbound group line transfer, and closer inbound group dial with customer. It means it's a warm transfer. Okay, so you will need to get a confirmation with the other agents before you will do the transferring, or able to talk with the leads. Okay, so hope you are enjoying our video. And once again, this is HBD tutorial for your basic setup, installation, configuration for some open source application. Thank you guys and have a nice day. Bye bye.